Whatever mother eats during pregnancy has a significant impact on a baby's brain development inside the womb and the child's cognitive responses at a later stage in life. The mother must consume adequate levels of nutrients during pregnancy. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we discuss topics related to pregnancy and motherhood. We upload daily new video related to your common pregnancy related questions, and if you're new on our channel then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Without further delay, let's check out the ultimate guide to get intelligent baby during pregnancy. Naturally, every parent wants their child to be healthy and intelligent as they grow up. According to scientific research, a pregnant woman's diet may promote fetal brain development. The right amount of nutrients can not only help you flourish but also your growing baby. We'll talk about the vitamins, minerals, foods and do's and don'ts that support a pregnant woman's ability to have a healthy and intelligent baby. First, dairy products. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are dairy products that are rich in calcium and high-quality proteins like whey and casein. Calcium is crucial for the growth of teeth and bones, but it also plays a significant part in the electrical transmission that occurs within the brain, according to the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. It should be a part of the baby's diet because it is crucial for their overall development. Second, supplement a healthy diet. Focus on eating things that will help you consume the recommended daily allowance of these important nutrients, such as folic acid. If you started taking folic acid before or after finding out and you are pregnant, keep going so. Getting enough folic acid reduces the chances of your baby having birth abnormalities, helps develop healthy brain cells, and prevents autism. Calcium. You need around 1,000 to 1,300 milligrams of calcium per day to maintain your bone health as well as the bones, muscles, and teeth of your unborn baby. Calcium can be found in yogurt, milk, leafy green vegetables, and foods like soy milk, juice, and bread that have been fortified. Iron. Eat spinach, iron-fortified cereals, dried fruit, and red meat to prevent anemia and help your baby get enough oxygen. Try to get 27 milligrams every day. Omega-3 fatty acids. It has been proven that this vitamin, which is included in many superfoods, benefits brain development in your unborn baby. In fact, babies that consumed more fish, a great source of omega-3, during the second trimester performed better on their mental development tests at 6 months, according to a study. Third, managing stress levels. Although chronic stress is bad for you, did you know that it might harm your unborn baby's nervous system as well? Numerous studies have been conducted that suggest stress during pregnancy may raise the possibility of congenital brain defects in unborn babies. Rest easy and try to avoid any major life changes while you are pregnant. Try out some of these wonderful stress-relieving exercises to help develop a sense of calmness. Fourth, talk to your baby. Talk to your baby every day if you want to have a real impact on their development. Although it can seem a little strange at first, you'll soon be having full-fledged conversations. Talking to your unborn baby while they are still inside the womb helps development of the brain and gives them access to their mother's voice. Fifth, physical exercise. Pregnancy exercise has a positive effect on a baby's brain development, according to study. Your body benefits from exercise on the physical and mental level. Exercise stimulates the formation of endorphins, which improves mood and overall wellness while slowing brain shrinkage and enhancing cognitive function. These advantages of exercise actually pass down to your unborn baby. You only need to practice in moderate exercise for 30 minutes, 3 to 5 times per week, for both you and baby to get benefit from it. Rest is important after physical exercise. Regularly take rest days and don't push yourself too hard, especially if you've been pushing yourself harder than usual throughout your workouts. 6. Listen to music. We've all heard the rumor that exposed unborn babies to Mozart while their mothers are pregnant turns them into the next Einstein, but is it true? It won't necessarily increase IQ scores, but it will teach your kid new noises and tones and have a relaxing effect. UNICEF claims that music during pregnancy has a good effect on the unborn baby. 7th. Avoided drink or smoke. This one should be clear. Never ever consume alcohol or smoke while pregnant. Nicotine restricts blood vessels, lowers blood pressure, limits nutrition for your unborn baby, and obstructs the growth of crucial brain cells needed for development. Alcohol not only causes to fetal alcohol syndrome, FAS, but also to an overall poor development of the baby's brain. In fact, drinking when pregnant lowers IQs, attention spans, cognitive abilities, and memory, causes attention deficiencies, impulsive behavior, and even causes difficulties with motor function. Contact a physician, expert, or someone you trust right away if you need assistance quitting before to becoming pregnant. 8th. Keep yourself hydrated. All living things, including your developing baby, need on water to grow. It means that maintaining hydration throughout pregnancy is essential to promote fetal brain development. Instead of counting ounces because every body is different, concentrate on drinking enough water to make your urine color of watered down lemonade. 9th. Avoid the toxins. Toxins are bad for everyone, especially a small, fragile newborn. While your placenta will assist in toxin filtration, there are limits to what it can do. Fortunately, it's relatively simple to stay away from toxic level exposure that will harm your baby's brain development. Maintain a generally healthy atmosphere at home. Avoid standing too close to cleaning products for too long. Ensure that the paint in your house is lead-free. Limiting exposure to air pollutants brought on by traffic. We truly hope that these pointers will improve your understanding of how to enhance your unborn baby's brain development throughout pregnancy. The most important factor is, generally speaking, to have a healthy lifestyle. Speak with your primary care physician about what you can do right away if you are concerned about your health or stress levels. Every pregnancy is different. Be sure to consult with a healthcare provider about your circumstances if you have any questions about eating or doing specific thing while pregnant. You can also join our official Facebook page for more helpful information about pregnancy and motherhood journey. Link is in description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.